Welcome to Right Channels. My name is Benjamin. In today's video lecture, we shall be talking about secrets of digitizing and monetizing your content writing skills. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button below. I want you to know that by subscribing to this channel, you will be helping me and encouraging me to create more videos that will be of benefit to people from different walks of life. Click also on the notification bell below so that whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel, you will be informed instantly. Like and share this video with your friends and relations, and remain blessed. Let's get started. You may possess great ideas and skills, laudable dreams and passion, but none of them can give you the desired financial freedom unless you take two key steps. Number one, turn your ideas into products, and number two, market and promote your products to other people. In an online-based global economy such as we have, content writing is an effective tool for monetizing your ideas. As a content writer, there are so many ways in which you can turn your ideas and skills into products and market them in order to earn money. That's what this video lecture is about. Let's get started with the definition of some of the key terms. Number one, digitizing and digitization. To digitize means to convert something such as data or image to a digital form, and anything in electronic or computer readable form is essential digital in nature. Thus, digitization is the process of converting information into a digital or computer readable form. I can say that anything you can buy or sell online is essentially digital. So a digital product is a product that comes in digital form, as already explained. Examples of digital products are eBooks, audiobooks, audio music, recorded lectures, videos, software, templates, photos, graphics, and digital art. You have documents, various documents online, online courses, web-based applications, and so on and so forth. Then the next term we shall define is digital marketing alongside marketer, digital marketer. Digital marketing is the type of marketing that uses the internet and online-based technologies, digital technologies like computers, mobile phones, iPad, and so on, to promote products and services. And anyone who sells digital products is a digital marketer. Now, monetizing and monetization. To monetize, as I earlier hinted, is to earn money or revenue from something. It is to utilize something of value as a source of profit or earnings. The process of doing that is monetizing or monetization. How to monetize your content writing skills. There are many ways of doing that. One, you can create a blog. You can create a blog, and at first you may use it just as a way of posting your ideas, your thoughts and analysis, or your stories if you like. Initially, the blog can be a way to earn new things, to learn new things rather, about writing skills. You can use it just to practice. But as you learn, practice, and remain focused and consistent, you will be able to start monetizing your skills easily through that platform. If you want to learn more about blogging, you may want to get a copy of the book entitled Blogging Basics for Beginners by Brighter eBusiness. Below this video on my channel, you will find some notes, and within these notes I have inserted links such as this, so that you can have access to this book if you want to have a copy. Number two, you can establish an online magazine or news blog. That's another way of monetizing your writing skills. Number 3, you can become an article contributor. There are many websites that will publish your articles and pay you according to the number of readers who read them. The 4th one is you can become a freelance writer. As a freelance writer, you can have access to many different opportunities, and there are many platforms where you can start earning income through writing. You may start it as a hobby at first, and then you build it into a full-time venture. Freelance Writing on the Side by Joshua Slone is perhaps one book you need if you want to discover the secrets of success in freelance writing. Again, I've inserted the link below so you can have access to that. Number 5, you may consider becoming an editor. If you are a good writer with sound knowledge of English grammar, you can become an editor and start earning money on various platforms where people require the services of an editor. There are people who are so busy that they have no time to edit their works. You can earn money by, helping them to edit their works, proofreading them, and giving them feedback. If you want to know more about editing, you may look for a copy of this book, The Little Book of Editing for Writers by Ravenscourt Press. That will be very useful to direct you or give you more information on how to edit other people's works. Number 6 is to create eBooks. Is one of the ways to monetize your writing skills, especially if you are capable of writing long texts and making research as well. There are many online publishing platforms where you can self-publish your works and earn revenue from them. Personally, I have been publishing on Amazon.com, and I still publish on Amazon.com. If you want to learn more about this, you may want to watch my previous video lesson on how to make money on Amazon through self-publishing. You can create your own ebooks if you want and start making money through them if you are able to get the appropriate software. And one of the very amazing software for creating ebooks is Ultimate Ebook Creator. Again, you will find the link below if you want to get the software. If you are interested in creating ebooks for yourself, you can create ebooks and start marketing them by yourself. And then the last thing is you can start affiliate marketing. This is a process by which you earn a commission for marketing a company's products. There are many online platforms that offer opportunities for affiliates to earn money by promoting other people's products. So it's simply when you help to promote other people's products, then you get a commission when the product is sold through your campaign. And there are various affiliate programs. You can check out various platforms where you can earn money through affiliate marketing, such as Amazon Associates, Fiverr Affiliate Program, etc. If you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how it can help you to monetize your content writing skills, you may have to get a copy of Super Affiliate Marketing Strategy. That will help you. It's an ebook that will help you, show you the way to do affiliate marketing effectively. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below to subscribe. By subscribing, as I earlier said, you lose nothing, but what happens is that you are encouraging me to create other helpful videos like this, which will be helpful to people from different walks of life. If you have learned something from this video, then the only way to encourage me to do other videos that will be of help to you and others is to subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video with friends and relations, and then click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments that will be helpful to me in improving the quality of our lectures, or if you have any comments or commendation for benefits you gained from the lecture, don't hesitate to leave your comments below. Bye for now and remain blessed.